Tired of losing more than you win in trading? Today, I'm introducing a powerful strategy featuring a steadily rising equity curve. It boasts a win rate of over 60% and proves effective across stocks, futures, forex, and cryptocurrencies. Welcome to Cheese Talk. No emotions, only structure, backtest, and data. This strategy requires two free indicators available on TradingView: the chandelier exit, a trailing stop tool, and the ZLSMA, a moving average indicator. Links to both indicators can be found below the video.
It is the art of working smarter, not harder. It's the discipline of stepping back and letting the right tools handle the complex stuff. Leave yourself time to enjoy a cup of coffee. Find the right rhythm, and you'll see that mastering life isn't that hard at all. Try changing your approach. Stick with it for a month, and your future self will thank you.
First of all, we need to switch the candlestick chart to Heikin-Ashi, which helps filter out many false signals. Next, we add our first piece of the puzzle, the chandelier exit, or CE. It's not just a trend indicator. It also functions as a dynamic stop-loss line that adjusts automatically based on market volatility. Then, we modify the ATR period to 1 and ATR multiplier to 2 for more precise signal. When the CE turns from red to green, it signals a confirmed trend reversal. But that alone isn't enough, so we'll add a filter. The filter is ZLSMA, stands for Zero Lag Smooth Moving Average. This is a linear regression-based MA that almost perfectly tracks price without the usual lag. We set its length to 50 for better price tracking. When price is above it, we only go long. Below it, only short. Our entry logic is very straightforward. Go long when the CE gives a buy signal and the price is above the ZLSMA. Go short when the CE gives a sell signal and the price is below the ZLSMA. We use a 14-day ATR trailing stop-loss and take-profit strategy as covered in a previous video, so we won't repeat it here. We conducted backtests on 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour Heikin-Ashi charts across various instruments, with a transaction cost of 0.01% for each trade entry and exit. Based on the Bitcoin backtest data, the strategy demonstrates a win rate consistently exceeding 70%, a steadily ascending equity curve, and a maximum drawdown approaching zero. These metrics confirm that the strategy is highly effective when applied to Bitcoin. In the S&P 500 backtest results, although the win rate is slightly lower than that of Bitcoin, it still remains around 65%. Meanwhile, returns climb steadily as the trading timeframe expands, reaching as high as 1,400% on the 1-hour chart. More than enough to prove that the strategy performs equally well on the S&P 500. In the backtest for spot silver, the strategy again delivers strong performance with a steadily rising equity curve, an average win rate close to 75%, and maximum drawdown near zero. Based on the backtest results for Brent crude, the equity curve exhibits a steady upward trajectory, while returns, trade frequency, and win rate all increase in line with longer timeframes. Among the intervals tested, the 1-hour timeframe demonstrates the most favorable outcomes. In the backtest for the US dollar index, although the win rate and returns are lower than those of other instruments, the equity curve still climbs steadily, and the maximum drawdown remains near zero, proving that the strategy remains effective on the US dollar index as well. In the backtest for spot gold, both the win rate and returns remain very high, with a steadily rising equity curve. Although the win rate on the 1-hour time frame is somewhat lower, the returns are still exceptionally strong. This demonstrates that the strategy performs excellently on spot gold as well. We also backtested the strategy across a wide range of instruments, and the results show that in the vast majority of cases, both the win rate and returns are consistently high, with a steadily rising equity curve. This undoubtedly makes it a highly effective strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come join our community for the complete strategy code. Leave a comment to tell me what kind of strategy you want to backtest.